when talking to someone, you shouldn't look at him, right? In his letter, correct? So my question is, does this apply to Torah study as well when you're studying with Chavrusa, or only when you're talking to a person in, let's say, the marketplace?
Well, I didn't get when you're talking to a person, you have to look at what?
You shouldn't look directly at him.
Should not?
Should not.
At the person?
Correct.
Okay. And then what? Okay, so
does this apply to Torah study as well when studying with Chavrusa, or only in the marketplace?
I mean, when you learn with somebody, it's good to concentrate on the text.
Oh.
Yeah, and then sometimes you would look up and talk to him, but when you have the same text that you're trying to follow, so you maybe even like he's speaking, but you're scanning the text and see maybe you have better answer, or he's right, so you're trying to see. I mean,
and
why do you need to maintain the eye contact? It's very comfortable, no?
Understood. And also, when davening, or let's say just talking to someone, is it better to have your hands at your side or behind your back?
You see, behind your back, it's many times it's a little. Is it arrogant? I would say it's a little arrogant. You know, so I think like he's a show-off guy.
Also, well, so
it's not a halacha. It's my personal opinion.
Yeah,
I don't say that's halacha.
And also halachically. Now, I know, for example, you should wear more clothes during davening, right?
Yes.
So I think there's a machlekes about this. I'm not that sure. So let's say if I put my jacket over my shoulders, does that count as if I'm wearing it? Because
no. That's the disrespect.
Oh,
big disrespect. You have to put it in. Like Rabbi Belsky, I remember he screamed about it. That's not good.
What if it's one sleeve? If you put one sleeve in, it's okay.
No, just put two sleeves. It's not. That's not. If you would come to the, as Rabbi Mizrachi will say, to Judge Williams in Manhattan court, you would not stand in front of him like that.
Wait, just
he just slap you with a fine and 5 days in a prison. Okay, so everybody knows that. So in front of Judge Williams, everybody would dress appropriately. They would not come with sandals, would not come with sweatpants, no these stupid T-shirts. Mm-hmm.
What if he's?
So, that's how you could judge the situation. Will you just compare Chas v'Shalom, right? You could compare the shoe davening to this Judge Williams. That's it. You understand? That's it.
What about when wearing tefillin? Tefillin. What about when wearing? If I have tefillin on, it can't fit inside. I have Chabad tefillin. It's very, very big. It doesn't fit.
No, that's not the problem. So okay, so what some people do, if you wear a jacket, so they close they leave one sleeve off, right, and they close the jacket like this, yeah.
Also, that's allowed to have one sleeve in. It's allowed.
Yeah, but it's because of the tefillin. But I apologize. Maybe you meant, but you didn't say about tefillin.
Yeah,
Is it tefillin? Yes, that's a different story. Okay. So, but anyway, it's proper to cover the tefillin. So this Chabad tefillin, I'm not sure. It's they're too big. So basically, it's proper to put your short, right, the short sleeve or whatever, something like to cover over the tefillin, so it would not be visible.
Understood.
So it's not good to wear these skinny shorts that it's like attached to the skin. So you cannot cover tefillin. Okay.